there's a lot of workflow automation that you might be able to do it for them. There is a lot of change in terms of using the AI tools that they would not be using it earlier. So a traditional way of approaching things needs to be changed, and that cannot just be changed with a 5-day training module. Of course, that can be implanted, that can be practiced, but for an adoption of real adoption of having this, there needs to be a continuous learning. There needs to be a real ROI behind what they want to do, right? So that becomes a lot more imperative. And to tell you that we have worked with about more than 320 partners. We have 320, 325. I'm not sure, Afrin, you can tell the number, but 320 was the last week number, where we have 320 plus partners who are
That's right.
working across the globe. And we have a very strong customer success team, partner marketing management team. They work and bring the best practices. Who, let's say someone is doing very good in Australia, how are they doing good, how can we help the other partners to ramp up, all of those things. So after that, we have understood that these are the 4 5 things are very important to win the enterprise deals. So the result is a scalable AI practice with multiple revenue streams. So that's what we want to position it for you. And since you are going to be our customers, but the end users are not going to be the ones that we are going to interact, we as a certification body do not put ourselves in the forefront of the end users. That is, our customers are you, and your customers are the end users, of course, the learners. And then you will be interacting with the learners on behalf of us. That's how the entire model would work. Of course, Afrin will give a lot more brief. Afrin, can you go on to the third part that I've just put in on the slide, just the next slide? Yeah. So the 3 revenue enablers in APAC that the partner need. One is revenue ready certifications, which is more specifically to a job role. Now, just imagine we have created certifications for healthcare, for niche like research, for niche like quantum computing. So if you talk about any specific domain today, real estate, how does a real estate agent, let's say if a real estate seller or a salesperson wants to really try to understand the complete funnel and try to pitch it in a right way, what are the key tools that the person needs to use? What are the key workflows that will work out for that particular sales leader or sales lead to ensure that that person is completely using the AI to really reduce the manual workload and improving the productivity? We do not claim a productivity of 30 odd percent, 40 odd percent. That's a sweet spot that we have figured it out. Everyone wants to claim. But real productivity in the first 6 months that we and our partners have claimed is about 12 to 13% rate initially, because we have seen a lot of pilots not getting scaled, maybe because of multiple reasons. But the real problem is to drive adoption of these tools and to build more credibility. So, of course, revenue ready certifications is very important. Standards and compliance should be again a part of another pillar to enable the complete ecosystem. So, when we talk about revenue ready certification, we are saying that we are ISO compliant 170242012. We are vendor aligned. Our curriculum is not independent or agnostic of companies like Microsoft, Cisco, PMI. We supplement them, but with a lot more depth in AI. Third thing, if I want to talk about, we have a complete infrastructure that we have developed, which I'm talking about the proven partner ecosystem. So we have a complete backbone using multiple platforms that we have created a complete ecosystem for our partners to have complete reporting in one place, to learners data in one place, to have their all the reporting dashboard and all the analytical dashboard coming in at one place to give a lot more insight in what is happening in that particular region.